Have you ever wondered if there's a secret minimum balance you need to maintain with your brokerage firm? Today, we're diving into the world of Questrade to find out if there's a hidden threshold that could impact your investing journey. Imagine this: you've just opened a brokerage account with Questrade, excited to start investing. But then, a nagging doubt creeps in: what if I don't have enough money in my account? Will you face penalties, restrictions, or even account closure? Let's explore this question together and see if there's anything to worry about. Understanding minimum balance requirements. When it comes to brokerage accounts, the concept of a minimum balance can vary widely depending on the firm. Some require a substantial initial deposit, while others may have ongoing balance requirements. So, where does Questrade stand? Questrade's minimum balance policy. Initial deposit. Questrade doesn't have a strict minimum initial deposit requirement. You can start investing with as little as you're comfortable with. Ongoing balance. There are no mandatory ongoing balance requirements. You can maintain as little or as much as you want in your account. Flexibility and accessibility. Questrade's approach is designed to make investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. By eliminating minimum balance requirements, they're encouraging people to start small and gradually build their investment portfolio. Benefits of Questrade's policy. Low barrier entry. New investors can get started without breaking the bank. Flexibility. You have complete control over your investments and can adjust your holdings as needed. No hidden fees. There are no penalties or charges associated with low account balances. Common misconceptions. While Questrade doesn't have a minimum balance, there are some common misconceptions that people often have. Inactivity fees. There are no inactivity fees associated with Questrade accounts. Account closure. Your account won't be closed due to a low balance. Additional considerations. Brokerage fees. While there's no minimum balance, it's important to be aware of brokerage fees that may apply to transactions. Investment strategy. Your investment strategy should be aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Real-world examples. To illustrate Questrade's flexible approach, let's consider a few scenarios. Beginner investor. A new investor with $500 can open a Questrade account and start investing in fractional shares of popular stocks. Experienced investor. An experienced investor can maintain a larger balance in their Questrade account and take advantage of advanced trading tools and strategies. So, does Questrade have a minimum balance? The answer is no. Questrade's policy is designed to make investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. By eliminating minimum balance requirements, Questrade is empowering investors to take control of their financial future. Whether you're just starting out or an experienced investor, Questrade offers a flexible and affordable platform to achieve your investment goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.